Basically, there's a seal down in there, that yellow one right there. There's a rubber gasket. It's a rubber gasket, and it develops a little bubble right in the middle of it, so it spaces out the seal between those two, and it allows a little bit of water to flow through there, and you'll hear the toilet pretty much running every 15-20 minutes, whatever it is that it develops. But I was going to show you, first thing you want to do, I haven't done anything, all I did was take off the lid. So you want to remove the lid, you want to close your water source. So I'll close it. You know, you might have an easy one like this, or you might have to grab a wrench and close yours. Then allow all the water to leave, flush down. And once it's like that, pretty much, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So, remember I told you there's a gasket down in here, this yellow one right here. And it's very simple. It's just literally sitting on a little rim. You see it? So you just pull it off. Very easy fix. Pull it off. Slide it all the way up so that you can inspect it like this. Make sure not to rip it, because now you have a real problem. So then you inspect it, and you'll see, I'll tell you what, see right here? You can see it right there. They're developing this little air pocket in there that allows water to escape there. So all I do, and this is what I did to my other one, it actually did work. So I grab a little pin and you pop it. There. It's gone. You see it? All it was a little air bubble in there, and once you pop it, the air comes out and you're done. That's it. You slide it all the way back down. Literally, it's gonna take you a minute to do this. You put it's on the bottom side of it, and you just kind of move it around and place it. You'll feel the little ridge on it. You'll place it, kind of feel to make sure it's seated well, and you're done. That's it. And all you needed was a little pin. That's it. I didn't really like the design after I bought this, because I realized how close the floater was to the side there. But you know what? So far it hasn't given me any trouble. But it's so close to that you feel like it's gonna get stuck. But honestly, it's never given me a problem. I thought I read some reviews where people didn't like it, but it's fine. They work well. The only thing is that they both developed that problem. So to me, it sounds like they're all developing that, and a lot of people can find this issue. Maybe I'll look into more information and put it down on the notes down there. But yeah, basically that's it. It's this toilet. It's this one right here. Don't mind my tushy. So that's it. This one, elongated one, that one right there. If yours looks like this and you hear your toilet running, it's a little easy fix. Just find yourself a pin and pop that little bubble that these gaskets are developing. Other than that, you're good. Seat it back, turn on your water again.